Hello, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Monday, February 22nd, week number 8. First day of week number 8. Let's see what we're going to do today. What you're going to notice today is while the markets are starting to come back, NASDAQ you see this big, huge down. But if you look at some of the individual down moves, Tesla's down pretty big, Teladocs. There's some other stuff that are down pretty big. So I know some of you guys are probably losing a little bit of money. Bitcoin is down 5%. Microsoft was down. It was much lower than that earlier today. So let's see what type of trades we're going to do today. Let's go straight to ETrade. I'm looking to close Microsoft out. So what I end up doing was, if you just load this in, hit the close button, you'll see it. It's going to cost me about $100 each, but I want to do this because it's down about $6, which brought the price farther away from my strike price of 252. So my problem is this one still has plenty of time left. I think it's 20 and I think it's about 32 days. So what I want to do is I already made profit, so it may be easier for me to just close this particular trade and start a new one. So we will enter $98. Let's close this one out. Let's see if we can get that closed. This is the Microsoft. Hit the place another trade. And it looked like it just went across. If I go up here, Microsoft is sold. I actually have Microsoft in a again, so let's see if we can find it. So I may do the same thing on this one. Hit the close button. It's just taking time to load. Okay, so this one is a problem. I don't know why it's so much higher. And I just closed Microsoft again. You'll see it over here. I got the 4 contracts gone and I did the 2 contracts gone. Apparently my tracker was slightly off, but you can see what I closed it for. I think these numbers are wrong. So these look okay, but one of these numbers are wrong. But I finally closed it out. But because they were wrong, I'm not going to take I don't know which one to use, but I'm not going to use those. So you see the purchasing power was released. If you scroll down to SPY, I have a few more expiring. But I'm probably going to open another one after March 26th. So let's do that. We'll hit the Iron Condor here. We'll pick a date after March 26th. We can do something like this, maybe in April 1st. I think I'm going to decide on here based on the odds. I'm going to show you real quick. You see the odds over here on a free 50. It's telling me it's a minus 12 delta, about a 3.5% chance of hitting it. And on the other side, on the call side, we're going to go with a 415, 11%, and about a 7%, a 7 delta, 11%. So I plug those numbers in here, pretty safe. Here's the range of movement it needs. I'm collecting, it says I will collect about $1. So we'll try it. We'll see, can we get $1.02? We'll see if it goes across. And let's do free contracts. We'll hit the refresh because this thing looked like it got messed up. We'll see the impact of buying power, $3,000. You collect the 300, the 299 or the 300, so it reduces that, and this is the impact. So we'll try that. We'll put it in order. For the next trade, let me just show you what happened. I end up putting the trade on for 6 contracts, and you'll see that over here. So I did it for 4 and I did it for 6. You'll see it right here once I delete all these useless things. So this one's for 6, and then this one did it for 4. So you see how I open these up? So these are all together. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to, I want to try to put on a Visa one. Visa looks really good. It may be uptrending again, so I may put an Iron Condor on Visa. So let's go to options. We'll type in Visa here. We'll do an iron condor. You see it's up $4. I'm not sure how I want to play this yet. I may play a little bit shorter than normal, but we'll see. For Visa, it just went across. Basically what I did was I picked a pretty safe, a 9 delta or minus 9 delta with a 5% chance. And on the cost side, it was a 19% chance or a 21 delta. I always like skewing it because on the upside risk, I'm okay with this being a little bit closer. Like I said, Delta was having a hard time. It's up $4. I actually think it'll stay in the trading range. There is 38 days expiration, but I am willing to let it be tested on the positive side. I'm okay with Visa going up to 210, 215, 220, and then if I have to manage it once it gets there, I'll figure it out. I'll do it when I need to. But for right now, that's what I end up doing. The trade was already executed over here, so you can see that. I collected a small premium. I think it was only $80 or 80 cents, however you view it. But I'm okay with that. I didn't want to do too many contracts. Visa is a lot harder to play. These things are a little bit harder than the SPYs. SPYs and index. Visa, all it takes is one bad news or CEO scandal or maybe a buyout or some other rumor, and the stock moves one direction or the other. And with blockchain going down today, I did end up rolling my cash secure put. And here you see it. I had two of them. I moved them to two different prices just to see. So I have some more flexibility next week. We'll see how we're going to play it. I don't know if Bitcoin can stay above 55, but you can see how RIOT blockchain shares are coming back down. So I want to get ahead of it. That brings this video to an end. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you're doing. How are you trading? I create these videos so that I can help other people win with money. Don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.